Hey, do you want to know the current real estate market stats and trends for Silicon Valley? Make sure to watch this video as we analyze the numbers. Hey, what's going on everybody? My name is Cesar Yanis and I'm your real estate authority here in Silicon Valley and on YouTube. And in this channel, I go over all the real estate data, tips, trends, and more. If you're from Silicon Valley, make sure to sign up for my email list below. It's in the description. In this email, I deliver to you the latest market data, reports, and everything else. And if you find value in this video, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. And without further ado, let's get into this video. All right, so I'm gonna be analyzing the market numbers for 7 different cities here in Silicon Valley, which are made up of San Jose, Santa Clara, Sunnyvale, Cupertino, Mount View, Palo Alto, and Redwood City, kind of from the South Bay up to Redwood City. And I'm gonna be comparing the numbers from what they were a month ago to what they are now. And the stats I'll be looking at is median list price, days on market, price decrease percentage, price increase percentage, relisted percentage, and inventory. So let's find out and see what the numbers look like. So in San Jose, the median list price is 1.278 million. And if we compare it to what it was about a month ago, it has gone down by about 2,000, which is not a big difference. The days on market in San Jose are now at 62. A month ago, they were at 64, so they're selling slightly faster, just barely, which is good. Price decreases are down by 2%, now at 24%. But this is also a big number. This means that 1 in every 4 houses in San Jose are seeing a price decrease. So maybe houses aren't priced very well right now. As far as price increases, we're at 3% right now. About a month ago, it was still 3%, just 3.11, so down by about 0.11%, which is not a huge difference. It just means that, barely any homes that are on the market, their prices are getting raised. The relisted percentage right now, as of today, is at 6%, and about a month ago, as you can see, it was about 5%, so it went up by 1%. So a little bit of houses that did not sell the first time around are coming back into the market. And inventory today is at 519 homes in the market. About a month ago, it was 515. So we have about 4 more homes on the market. And that can be a reflection of the 1% increase in the relisted percentage. Median rent price has been steady at $3,600 a month. The most expensive listing in San Jose is $12 million. And the least expensive is just under $300,000. And for San Jose right now, still a strong seller's market. So let's move on to, I believe, Santa Clara. Yeah, so Santa Clara right now, the median list price is $1.447 million. And from last month, it's been a $2,000 increase, so it's slightly higher. Almost no difference though. Now the days on market in Santa Clara is 60 days right now. That's how long it's taken for homes to sell in Santa Clara. And as you can see here in the graph, it's been trending upwards for quite a bit. So last month it was 47 days on the market. So a month ago homes were selling under 2 months, and this month, or right now, they're taking exactly 2 months to sell. Now price decreases are at 24% right now. And as you can see, from a month ago, it was at 20%, so they've gone up by 4%. So this also means that about 1 in 4 houses in Santa Clara are seeing price decreases right now. So looks like they're not being priced very well. And a lot of sellers have had to lower their price for their homes in order for them to sell. Now price increases today is at 0%, which is crazy. About a month ago it was at 3%, so it's gone down by about 3%. The relisted percentage right now is at 7%. A month ago it was also at 7%, went down slightly by about 0.5 percentage. Inventory is at 54. About a month ago it was about 65 homes, so a little bit, about less houses less this month than last month. Median rent price has also stayed steady, about 3,800 homes on the market. The most expensive listing is just under $3 million, and the least expensive is just under $1 million. And Santa Clara is also a strong seller's market right now. Now Sunnyvale. So Sunnyvale median list price, as you can see right here in the graph, it just went down quite a bit. So right now it's at 1.75 million. About a month ago, it was at 1.825. So it's gone down about 75 grand. The days on market looks like it's also been trending upwards. Right now it's 60 days on the market. About a month ago it was at 50. So we went from selling under a month to selling in 2 months in Sunnyvale. Price decreases, you can see, have been trending upwards for a while here in Sunnyvale, now at 42%. And it's gone up by 10% in the last month. So almost 1 in 2 houses are seeing price decreases in Sunnyvale, which is crazy. Now price increases are at 2%. As you can see, it's been trending downward. So a month ago it was about 3.7%. So it's gone down by about 1.7%. Relisted percentage, you can see, it's been going up and down, 9% right now. A month ago, about 5%, so it's gone up by about 4%. So this is just houses that didn't sell the first time around coming back into the market. Inventory, you can see it's been going down a little bit. So 43 homes on the market right now. About a month ago, it was 53. So we have 10 less homes on the market this month than opposed to last month. Median rent price also been steady at $3,900 a month. Most expensive listing here in Sunnyvale is $3.4 million, and the least expensive is just under $1 million, and also a strong seller's market here. For Cupertino, so median list price right now is just under $2.5 million. About a month ago it was 2.65, so it went down by about 150 grand, which that's a big decrease. Days on market, as you can see, was trending upwards and just had this big dip. But from right now 67 days on market, last month 79. So houses are selling slightly faster this month than last month, which is good. Price decreases, you can see, we're trending downwards and starting to pick up a little bit. So right now 17%, a month ago 16%, so a 1% increase. This has also been a trend in almost every city here in Silicon Valley. The price decreases have been going up. And it's a sign that, homes are being priced a little off right now. So the market is correcting that right now. Price increases right now 0% in Cupertino, which makes sense because of all the price decreases we've been seeing. So sellers aren't getting that chance to increase the listing price. So a month ago it was at 8%, so it went down by about 8%. Relisted percentage is 0%. So houses that are not selling, none of them are coming back into the market, and that's probably because everything's selling. As you can see, the inventory here is 23 homes on the market in Cupertino, which is not a lot, So from a month ago, it's gone down by 2 houses less on the market this month. Median rent price is still steady at $4,500 a month. Most expensive listing is just over $6 million, and least expensive listing is just over $1.5 million. And Cupertino, same trend, strong sellers market. Now let's look at Mountain View. So median list price here in Mountain View as of today is $2.175 million. Looks like it had a little dip and went back up, but from a month ago, it's gone up by about 15 grand, which is good. Days on market is at 75 today, and a month ago it was at 68 days on the market, so houses are taking a little longer to sell. Price decreases look like it's been slightly trending down, so that's a good thing when compared to the other cities. And if we compare it to a month ago, it's gone down by about 4%, which is good. It means that, Mountain View home prices are being priced a little better than in the other cities. Price increases look like it's gone up a little bit, also 5% compared to last month, 4%, so about 1% change. Relisted percentage is at 7%, so that's great news. That means the houses that did not sell are coming back into the market, and it's 3% higher this month than last month. Inventories have 41 homes on the market and 5 less than last month. So inventory is low in almost every city. We've known that shortage of homes in this market. Median rent price $4,500. Most expensive listing $4.5 million, and least expensive listing just under $1 million. And same thing as the other markets, strong sellers market. Now let's look at Palo Alto. So a slightly more expensive market. So median list price in Palo Alto is $4.45 million. and compared to a month ago, it's gone up by about 100,000. Days on market right now is at 95. A month ago, it was at 94. So just taking 1 day longer for homes to sell this month compared to last month. Price decreases are also down, so 34% now as opposed to 39% a month ago, which is good. So it means that they're being priced a little better this month, but as you can see, that's still a third. 1 in 3 homes in Palo Alto are seeing price decreases as well. So not very good. Price increases, 0%, not surprised because the price decreases are so high. Relisted percentage is at 8%, and it's down by about 1.5 points from last month. Inventories at 86 houses on the market this month. Looks like it went up and had a little dip here, but as opposed to last month, there's 3 more houses on the market, which is great. Median rent price is $6,400 a month. Most expensive listing is just under 23 million, and the least expensive is just under 2 million. And in this market, Palo Alto's, they have a slight seller's advantage. It's not like a strong seller's market as the other cities, and it's probably due to the huge price decreases that, you know, homes are not selling as fast. They're taking over 3 months, and they're also getting the price lower because they're not being priced as well. So this is the slight difference city market than the other ones. And lastly, Redwood City. So the median list price is 1.825 million, as opposed to last month. It's gone down by about 75 grand. Days on market are at 68 right now, and about a month ago, 64. So it's taking 4 days longer for houses to sell this month than last month. In Redwood City, price decreases have also gone up by 1%, now at 39%, which is crazy. Almost 1 in every 2 houses are seeing price decreases in Redwood City. Same trend as pretty much every other city in Silicon Valley right now. Price increases are at 3%, and that is about less than 1% increase, so not much difference there. Relisted percentage today is 8%. Last month it was 6%, so 2% increase, which is good to see. A little more properties going back into the market. Inventory right now, it's at 79 homes. Last month it was at 83, so we have 4 less houses on the market this month compared to last month. Median rent price is $3,200. Most expensive listing is just over 4 million, and least expensive is just under 1 million. And Redwood City is also a strong seller's market as opposed to the other markets. So as you can see here, the trend is that median list price is going down in most of the cities here in Silicon Valley. The days on market are also down for most cities in Silicon Valley. So houses are seeing that price decrease in listing wise, but they're also selling slightly faster. Price decreases are up mostly in every city here in Silicon Valley. So looks like sellers aren't getting the price right, or realtors, or, you know, the market is correcting itself from this pandemic. Price increases are trending down for most cities. So that's obviously due to the increase in price decreases. So not a lot of homes are seeing that increase in price right now. And the relisted percentage is also slightly up in most cities. So that means the houses that did not sell the first time around are thankfully jumping back into the market, because we do need that inventory. So that's good news. And the inventory is mostly down for most cities. So we're seeing less homes this month on the market than last month. And that's kind of the overall trend in Silicon Valley. Ooh, before I let you go, I have a question for you. Please let me know how you're feeling about the real estate market right now in Silicon Valley. Do you think home prices are overpriced, or do you think it's a great time to buy? Do you think it's a great time to sell? Let me know what's your opinion on the current real estate market on the comments below. And also, that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Silicon Valley real estate market update. And please, if you're in Silicon Valley, don't forget to sign up for my email list. You will receive detailed market data like this to your inbox every week. And again, thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, please subscribe. It'll help me a lot. And till next time, peace. Give me every time.